back to my channel. And as you'd have read by the title, me and my friends are doing photo shoot challenge. So first of all, I just want to say thank you to my friends Ekam, Jaspreet, Vrinda, Harshita. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. So the challenge is pretty simple. We are going to get a color each, and we can wear clothes of that color, or a background can be of that color, but the main point is the color has to pop out in the picture. So let's call my friends and decide the colors. So friends are here right now, if you can see. Say hi. Okay, so I've already told them the rules. You just have to pick the color, and yeah, you're good to go. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So I have the chits in my hand, so you have to choose numbers. Okay? So go, ask numbers.
4.
Okay, then 5. Okay, number 1 is Vrinda, right? Vrinda, your color is blacky. Black. Black.
Very nice.
Okay, number 2 was Ekam, right?
Yep.
Okay, so number 2, Ekam. Ekam, your color is white.
Okay. Oh wow.
Okay, number 3. Who's number 3? Jaspreet or Harshita?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just breathe.
I don't even remember. Okay, number 3. It's purple.
Okay, cool.
Okay, the second last one. Oh, let's see. Number 4, Harshita. Harshita? Blue. So, what color I got? Guess.
What?
Guess the color which I have got. Huh?
Yellow.
No.
Pink.
No. It's green. Yes, my color is green.
Green.
So
Nice.
nice. Okay, so do you guys have any doubts related to the video or koi photo shoot?
No.
Also, guys, my friend Jaspreet is also on YouTube, so do subscribe. Or I'm going to link her channel below. So I guess that's okay. Now you have to send me the videos, and we'll see who does the best. Bye. 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 So now you've seen that I've talked to my friends and they know the color. So let's begin the video.
So for today's photo shoot challenge, I have got purple as my color from Mama. I found this sheer dress today so that I can do this look, and it's a nice sheer dress, and it's got a bodycon thing to wear inside for obvious reasons. But I'm gonna maybe wear just this or maybe both of them together. It depends on my makeup look, because today I've thought to go a little overboard with the makeup and a little bold with the eyes, and even stuff on my cheeks, so that it looks a little cute. So yeah, let's just see how the whole thing turns out.
Hi guys, so as you all know that we all are doing this color photo shoot challenge kind of a thing. So my color is blue. So I'm gonna shoot here in my balcony, and I'm gonna do something like a sky photograph thing. So guys, I'm gonna wear a denim jacket and a white vest or a t-shirt kind of a thing inside it. So it's like this, the denim jacket, this one, and a white vest or thing t-shirt inside it.
Hi guys. So as you know that my color is green, and I was hoping that मुझे green मिले या कोई white मिले, because I have such a big lawn in my house. So very useful for green background. So for the clothes I'm going to show you, I have 2 options. I'm so confused in these 2 options, so I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so for my outfit, I've decided these four things. But then this is for sure. This is like one-sided tank top I'm going to wear inside, and I'm a little bit confused. Should I go for khaki? What is this? Khaki jeans, khaki pants, and or the blue denim. And with that, I'm going to pair it with either white shirt or like khaki color shirt with white, because either this is going to be like this, or is it going to be like this, or is it going to be this and this, or it's going to be this and this. I think I would go with denim because I like denim more, but let's see how it comes out.
Guys, so I got white as my color and I'm going to wear a white t-shirt with denim shorts. For the background, I first thought of using the white walls at my house, but now my brother is going to help me make a backdrop using white bed sheets, and I also thought of using a prop. So I'm going to make a cloud using white cotton and cardboard. So I just hope it all turns out well. So let's see.
Hey guys, Vrinda this side. As you all know that I've got black color, so yeah, I've not yet decided what I'll be wearing. Like, I kind of know, but I've not yet decided, finalized it. So yeah, I'll be showing you my clothes and let's get going. Bye. So guys, I've decided what I'll be wearing for my photo shoot, and those are winter wearings because all the black stuff I have for like summer wearings is like a basic t-shirt. So yeah, the first option I have is a thin sweater. It's an all black sweater, and yeah, maybe I'll wear this, or else I have this sweatshirt, a black sweatshirt, and yeah, I can wear this too with the black jeans, with my prop being, so guys, he is my prop. His name is Scotch. Hi! And he too will be dressing up. So for the contrast, I'll be making him wear this t-shirt he has. Okay. Or else he has this too as an option. So these are his two t-shirts. Yeah guys, I'll be going and getting ready now. Bye!
Hi guys, so I am like kind of done with the makeup. I just have to like put my falsies and some details on the flowers here and there with black, and I think it's come out pretty well. I've gone with half cut crease, if you can see. I've like given a nice played with a lot of purples. You can see I played with some lavender and then dark purple, just transitioned it from lighter to dark, and I think I'm like really happy with how it's turned out. And I'll just do my lips and then wear the dress and get ready all glammed up, and then I'll be back.
So I finalized my outfit. So it's the tank top, white shirt, and denim jeans. I was going up for this only. Looks so nice. I think I'm going to pair it with a brown belt or something, and then let's do my hair and makeup.
I've moisturized my face, so I'm gonna apply this sunscreen as I have to shoot in sun. Just a little bit. Okay, so मैं सिर्फ eyeliner लगाऊंगी. तो मेरे को eyeliner बिल्कुल लगाना नहीं आता अच्छी तरह, like so hopefully I'll do it. लग जाएगा. Let's go. Oh.
2,000 years later.
So guys, मैंने लगा दिया है ऑफ कैमरा. इसमें आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा, बट ठीक है, ठीक लगा है, चल जाएगा काम. So अभी I'll just go and change, then click some photographs. So guys, I'm ready. I am wearing this denim jacket and a white t-shirt or a vest, I guess t-shirt, yeah, t-shirt kind of a thing decided. So now let's go and shoot.
So
I'm almost ready and I don't really do a lot of makeup. I just added a little bit of mascara and I wanted to show you guys I added this little necklace here. So I'm ready to go and take pictures. Bye.
So guys, I just got ready and yeah, you can see this is what my makeup looks like. Done nothing else. All set. Now going and getting some pictures clicked. Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm all glammed up now, and you can see there's enough purple happening. My eyes are purple, the flowers are purple, my dress is purple, and I think that there's enough purple for the day. So I'll just go and take pictures.
Hi guys, so I'm ready. My outfit, I think you can't see, but then my makeup. Also, I got these green earrings from South Africa. Yeah, let's go get some pictures.
Said I took it and I ran for it. I run it and I stand on it. Money on the floor when we dance on it. Shine bright when I put a tan on it. Choo-choo cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass.
I hope you liked the video, guys. Do tell me in the comment section you think won the challenge and did the best. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and stay tuned.
I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like